Develop your skills in green building operations with an advanced LEED accreditation. The LEED AP Operations and Maintenance Rating System, one of the more popular specialty accreditations, prepares individuals to understand the green building process as it relates to existing building operations. According to the Green Building Certification Institute, students with relevant experience on a LEED project must pass the LEED Green Associate exam before they're eligible to sit for the LEED AP exam. While students are not required to have the Green Associate credential, they will have to take the Green Associate exam at the same time they take the LEED AP exam to obtain the AP credential. Everblue's course will prepare students to understand key requirements unique to the Operations and Maintenance Rating System. These include the continual measurement of building energy use, green chemicals, and pest control procedures.
Everblue's LEED AP Operations and Maintenance course is available in two different formats: live online webinar and on-demand webinars.
The training course will cover all the LEED credit requirements for operations and maintenance of existing buildings, test-taking strategies, and exam interface.
Following the course, students will have access to over 350 practice questions to help further prepare for the exam.
Everblue is a dynamic sustainability training provider with award-winning staff and operations. Let us help you attain an advanced LEED credential in building operations and maintenance, and you can join the growing number of professionals in the green industry. Sign up today.